Hi, welcome back. Today I am going to resolve a major problem of your spoken English. We will talk about word should and learn in how many ways we can use word should in our spoken English. In this video, I shall tell you 5 usage of word should. Actually, word should is a modal verb that is used very excessively in our spoken English as well as in our written English. First usage is advice or recommendation. The second use is when you talk about duty or obligations. Third use is when you talk about probability or expectations. In fourth usage, it is also used in conditional mode, and in fifth usage, it replaces a subjunctive. One by one, we will talk it in detail. The first usage is when you talk about recommendations or advice. You want to take advice from someone, or you want to give advice, you want to recommend something, or you ask for recommendation. You will use should. You should lose your weight. What should I wear? You want recommendation that someone should tell you that what should you wear. John should have a haircut. His hair is big, and you want to say that he should get a haircut. Should is also used when you talk about duty of someone, obligation, or you want to correct someone. In some cases, when you talk about obligation or duty, the structure will be should be plus ing form of verb. You should be wearing jacket. You should be wearing seat belt. I should be at work now. Should you be driving so fast? You are criticizing someone that you should not drive in such a way. You should not drive so fast. So when you talk about obligation or duty, or you want to correct someone, you also use should. The third usage is when you talk about probability or expectation. Something is probable or expected to happen, and you want to talk about it. Are you ready? The train should be here soon. $10 is enough. It should not cost more than that. Let's call Mary. She should have done her work by now. You also use word should in conditional mode. If I lost my job, I should have no money. We should be grateful if you send us catalog. The fifth usage is that it is also used to replace a subjunctive. It also replaces would have or would have not. In case of I and we replace should with would. If I were you, I should not worry about it. These are various usage of word should.